So friends, today we are going to see about the CSS layout lesson number 17, and today the last topic, that means not a last topic, but the fifth part of the position property, that is sticky. So this is my browser. I have written some matter for it, and in my notepad here I'm going to select, and this is an element with the position sticky is positioned based on the user scrolling position. A sticky element between relative and fixed depending on the scroll position. So it is position relative until a given offset position is met in the viewport. Then it sticks in place like position fixed only, but it will stick in the middle of the image. So note one thing, this will not work in the earlier version and earlier versions and Internet Explorer and EDGE 15. It will not support this sticky positioning. So you must also specify at least one of the top, right, bottom or left or sticky position to work. So here is the sticky element sticks to the top to the page that I'm going to write top is 0 when you reach its close position. So first I'm going to select the divide element. Divide element class attribute is sticky. Class attribute is sticky, and adding the declaration in this I'm going to add the position like dash web kit dash sticky, or here I'm going to write the both position. So if the browser won't support the position sticky, we can write dash webkit dash sticky. So sticky, and here I'm going to write the top 0. We have to mention at least one of these elements. So top, bottom, left, right. So I have selected the top, and that will be the result 0. And padding will be like 5 pixel. Okay, and after that background color is like hashtag CAE8CA. So after that background color, I'm going to add the border. Border is like a 2 pixel solid hashtag, that will be a green for CAF50. So closing the decoration, Control S and refreshing the browser. So you can see the position sticky, and I'm going to scroll, but the position of the stick is right top. So you can see the result of the position sticky, and I have written the WebKit sticky now. So if your browser won't work, you have to use this. If your browser works with position sticky only, then no need of this. So Control S and refreshing my browser. So my browser works for it. So no need of that WebKit sticky. So this is of today. So next tomorrow we are going to see about the overlapping element. So please do not miss it. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.
Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Thank you for watching Hours Computer Learning. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Subscribe button, bell icon.